Hey everyone in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. I own a car dealership. Today's an auction day. I know a lot of you guys love coming to the auction with me. Well, that's what I'm going to do today. But I got an email from somebody the other day, and that sparked the idea for this video. Someone asked me, what do I do during a recession? What do I do when nobody's buying cars? Well, the car industry is cyclical. It varies by season. So tax season, things are just absolutely smoking. I'm making a killing during tax season. Summer, I sell a lot of, I sell a lot of toys in the spring. They have to be gone by the summer. Then I sell like college cars, and then I sell my trucks and SUVs in the fall. But then like comes Christmas time, no one's thinking about buying cars. So it's November right now. November, Thanksgiving, and then Christmas. No one's thinking about their cars. Everyone's thinking about, oh, geez, I got to have a family party. I got to go to a family party next month. I got to buy these people this and that person that. No one's really buying anything. So it makes it really slow. So what do you do during the slow seasons, after tax season? After tax season, when everybody has spent all their money, you get a couple grand, you can't wait to spend it, you go buy your car, and then what happens? You're broke. No one has any money. No one's spending it. So right after tax season's over, about another month after that, it trickles down and it absolutely dies. So you have to buy the right vehicles at the right time. I've said this before, like Walmart. Walmart buys their backpacks and sells them during the summer. They don't sell them right before school starts. They sell them through the summer up until school starts. Then they go on clearance. Then Halloween stuff comes out right away. And then Halloween comes, and then everything goes on clearance. And then it's Christmas. Instantly, as soon as Halloween's over, it's Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. So everybody's thinking ahead of time, thinking ahead of schedule. Well, that's what this video is about today. So come along to the auction with me. I'm going to tell you today what you should be doing during your slow seasons. I'll see you in a minute. Hey, welcome back. What do you think of that transition? Well, I'm at the auction. You're here with me. It's No Shave November. What do you guys think of the beard? We're going to buy some stuff today. Here's my suggestions for what you should be doing during a recession or when cars are not selling. Buy, like in sync. I've used that joke before, but I'm using it again because I like it. Buy cars during the recession. When nothing's selling, that's when you buy, when the market is low. Everybody's car lot is full, nothing is selling, private party. My brother has an Escalade and a GTI. I just talked to him last night. That is not selling, and they're fairly priced. So he's ready to just give them up so he can just get rid of them, liquidate, get his cash, not have his cars that he's not using sitting. So he's ready to unload that thing. Everybody's that way. People's car lots are completely full. They're not selling. So the supply is high, the demand is low. Buy while things are cheap. Today I'm at the auction. Tax season's like, 3 months away. January, February, people can't wait to get those tax checks. So I'm gonna start stocking up on inexpensive cars now, like under 6 grand. People can buy them with cash or use like their tax checks towards the down payment and finance the balance. So that's the stuff I'm gonna be buying now. But think about it, like 4th of July, people go on vacation all July. So go buy then, because nobody's thinking about buying. So go buy, stock up your inventory, buy your cars during July. Christmas, everyone's thinking about Christmas. Go buy your cars at Christmas time, because no one's thinking about buying cars, they're thinking about buying gifts. Stock up now, so when things are booming again, you're fully involved, you're ready with a full lot that's already been detailed, that's already been inspected, you're ready to go. Or if you're private, if you want to buy a car for yourself, buy it now, because everyone's giving stuff away. So go get it while the supply is high and the demand is low. Get yourself a deal. So something like this would be an absolutely perfect tax season car. It's a 2000 Celica GT with 190,000 miles. Yeah, a ton of miles, but it's clean. And someone can buy it for cash come tax season. Here we go. Any of these would be perfect because they take up very little space. They do tie up a lot of money, but as soon as that tax check comes in 3 months, these things would fly off the shelves.
Raymond, $700.
Something like this would be an absolutely perfect tax season car. 2012 Mazda 325,000 miles, automatic. Not going to be a ton of money. It might be like $4,500 to sell or $5 grand, which is right up that tax season alley. So make a good amount of money on it.
2,000, 21, 22, 23, 24.
I haven't seen one of these in a damn long time. 96 T-Bird, 114,000 miles. The problem is, it's a 6-cylinder. So back ages ago when I was in high school, this was the car to have. My wife's best friend had one, and it was awesome. We actually named our daughter after her. Rest in peace, Marlena. But this car was awesome when she owned it, and I own one now. I bought it today. Car number 2, BMW X5 all-wheel drive. And it came with some prizes. Some Celtic music, Mystic Harp, and others. So score for those. And number 3, yes I did. I couldn't resist. I bought this T-Bird. I'm a proud owner of a new Thunderbird. I'm a sucker for you. Well, that's it. That's the auction. Before I even get into it and recap my day, you know the game. What am I driving? If you follow me on Instagram, you already know. If you don't, I don't know. Can you figure this one out? I'm not going to give you any hints. What am I driving? Comment down below. I'll try to shut out the winners. It was a good day. I bought like 5 cars. I bought that Thunderbird. I bought the Celica. I bought a BMW. I bought a Jeep Wrangler, a 4-door Jeep Wrangler, and a Focus. But I bought 2 cars for under $1,000. That's not really my typical vehicle, but tax season, if you can get a good car that you can sell under $2,000, finished, all done, those things are going to fly. So I buy them now so I can sell them cheap later, because once tax season comes, those cars wholesale for $2,000. Anything. You can't buy anything under $2,000 once tax season comes. So I buy them early. I buy them for like $800, and then I put a couple hundred into them, and then I flip them for $2,000, and then I make my money. But it's all preparation. I prepare ahead of time. Well, currently I have too many cars. I already own too many cars. All my money's gone. Everything is overextended out into the vehicle world under my car lot. But I have 2 lots, and one's an overflow, so I fill that up, and then they just sit until I have time to get to them. So while times are slow, like November's a slow month for me, I'm going through those cars. I might not be retailing as many cars. I might not be selling as much service to customers because they're not thinking about their cars right now. So I'm working on my stuff. I'm taking advantage of the time to go and buy things cheap while they can, and then fixing them, cleaning them, detailing, reconning them, so when time comes, they're ready. And guess what? I'm the guy sitting on all the gold, and I can make all the money. Now, you might say, oh, you jerk, you're making too much money. Well, you know what? If I overpaid for those cars, I'd still have to sell them for the same price. So now I'm just thinking ahead of time. I'm thinking smarter, not harder. I'm buying them early at a discount, and then going to sell them for a reasonable price later on. The other thing, if prices are high, don't buy. If the prices are high, don't buy. If it's too much money, don't buy it. Hold out. Save your money for better cars that are better prices that are going to make you more in the long run. Poor preparation leads to poor procedure. You're not going to fulfill, you're not going to do well if you don't plan well. Keep that in mind. That's a good tip, actually. I just came up with that. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got a little bit of knowledge and insight into the car dealer world, into my life. If it was at all interesting, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up down below so other people get to see this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribing. And there's a little bell down below. You can hit the bell and get notifications every time I make a new video. Lastly, Flying Wheels merch. I got hoodies, I got shirts, I got hats. You can get them all in the description down below in our merch store. And then, free shipping or 15% off in our merch store up until Black Friday. So pretty neat. Go get yourself some merch. See you later, everybody. Adios.